All right, it's Wednesday morning, about 6 o'clock. We're gonna go pick up another truck today. It's about 16 degrees with a feels like wind chill of 6. So yeah, we're gonna do a little cold start on the S10 too while we're at it. Like nobody's business. My blower motor sounds great. This is a busy little area to be just a little 2-lane road out here in the country. There she is, 2008 GMC Denali. Got the tags. I'm gonna take it to get some breakfast, and then I'm gonna go pick up my trailer. Denali. Obviously gonna have to do a little cleaning up in here, but yeah, this thing's pretty sweet. Traction light come on while I was driving. I don't think it was related to me, so we'll see what that is when we get home. And this is the first time U-Haul's ever let me rent a trailer. New steps every day. They have some of the most messed up intersections. I just need to go straight. I gotta go down here and make a U-turn, and then come back so I can go straight. That's dumb. Got the S10 loaded up, ready to head home. Not squatting at all. Got the cruise set, just letting her eat. Like that truck ain't even back there. So the real question is, am I the only 08 Denali hauling a 93 S10 today? Alright, we're home from Indian Trails, North Carolina. We've only burnt a little less than half a tank of fuel. Oil pressure looks good. Transmission temp was right around 115, 17 going down the road. Temperature's right, charging good. All in all, this is one real smooth truck. I'm tickled to death with it. I thought it had a problem with the heated seats, but it turns out it's got a setting for your back and for both your back and your seat. So no problem there. I just clicked the wrong button. This thing's got more buttons than I know what to do with. But yeah, I'm gonna get this truck unloaded, and then I'm gonna vacuum this thing out best I can and hopefully pressure wash it. We'll see how things go. All right, got the S10 unloaded. Now it's time to take this trailer back and find something to eat. Yeah, then we'll start detailing this thing. Things I should have done before I left Charlotte was topped up the coolant because it's a little low, and put an oil cap on it, but I've got one now, so somewhere right there. So we're gonna put an oil cap on it, top up the coolant. Just realized this truck's got an aluminum block, so that's cool. One of them rare Dollar General tumbleweeds. don't have no need for them. Got some mixtapes, we'll have to see what they have on. Some Metallica. Maybe we'll find something good in here. Surge Tankin', does anybody know what that is? Filter, another mixtape, another mixtape, another mixtape, another mixtape. Green Day. Might actually listen to that one. Linkin Park. Beastie Boys. Got a stack of 3 in here. What do we got? Toner. I don't know. Let's see if anything's good on them. Have disc. Ooh, the original window sticker. Let's be very gentle. $47,2008. Dealer add-ons. All kind of $500 worth of dealer add-ons. Good Lord. That's crazy. Alright. That's it. Now I kind of need to go through everything and vacuum out the front. It's still pretty dirty, but it's cleaner than it was. I'm going to take it to my detail guy in the next couple of weeks and really let him go over it and get it cleaned up. I mean, with a little wax, this thing would probably look really good. It probably needs a real good hand wash too. But it's too cold for that mess today, so we won't worry about that. But yeah, this is kind of the end of the video. I'm tickled to death with the truck. It tows good. I found the original sticker in the glove box, and it's got 342 gears, and with that 6.2 it gets on down the road just right. That 6-speed also helps it out. That's pretty much going to be it for this video, but be sure to check in. I'm going to have some updates on this thing, modifications and different stuff I do. So yeah, y'all tune back in for some more. Thank you.